Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Let's have a close look at the Air Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0. Not really sure how to start with this one, but sneakerheads sometimes baffle me. They seem to be comparing this with the 1.0 too much and not really giving it its merits for what it is. You keep reissuing the same colorway too much, the interests die down. You change it up a little bit and they complain that it's not the same. Don't get me wrong, the Shadow 1.0 is my all-time favorite Jordan 1s. It's the shoes that got me into the sneaker game. And it is better than the 2.0 in some aspects, but the 2.0 on its own is also right up there. For me, it has just the right amount of little touches to be worthy of the 2.0 moniker. Aside from the color blocking, the materials have changed as well. The gray parts of the shoes feels like nubuck, don't quote me on that, while the black parts are more of a matte black leather. I gotta admit though, the leather on the 1.0 is so much nicer. Another thing to note is the shade of gray is different. The 2.0s are definitely on a lighter shade of gray. Wearability wise, I believe this is on par with the 1.0. It's very easy to wear and can go with pretty much anything. This was also slept on when it was first launched. If you're planning on getting one, I suggest getting it now as the price seems to be getting higher month by month. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.